Hi, I'm Smell. Okay, today in this video I will show you how to write code for the timer in counter mode. Yeah, of course I will use the interrupt. Right? All right. So first of all, we need to check, right? Check which timer, right, can be used as the counter, can be used in counter mode because we need the EPR. As you can see from the block diagram here, so we have the external trigger, right? So if we fit to the prescaler, and of course here we have a divisor basically, right? And then fit to the prescaler and fit the counter. Then the counter and the value in count will be compared with the auto reload register. So in this example, I will be using a uh, that simple application only, just pressing the button for 5 times, right? 5 times. Then it will we will print out, okay, that the count is full, for example, right? All right, so uh, let's check, right, the pin that can be used for that applications. First here, if you look here, a PE0 can be used as the ETR, right? PE0, here PE0. Next, the one that we can use is the PA5. Oh, sorry, PA5 here. I think PA5 somewhere. Oh yeah, here is PA5, right? Then next one that we have here is okay, for timer 1. Okay, timer 1 we can use PA12, timer 1. And then here timer PA5 for timer 2 ETR. Then next that we have here, that's why it's, pin configuration is very important when we are designing the project, when the embedded system project. And PE7, PE7, of course we don't have PE7. We have only up to what, up to I think yeah, we have up to C for the STM F401 RE D6, D6. Okay, right. So from here you can see the 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 yellow one, right? Sorry, that okay, this one, the first one is the red one, like PA15, PA0, and PA12 can be used, right? But because of the blue button is connected to PC13 and PC13 close to PA15, so I use PA15 in this example. So we will connect it that way, right? Connect it like this, okay? So you can see here PA15, PC13, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 from bottom, left bottom, then 1 2 skip 2 pin, and then there is PA5, okay? If you can see it, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay? 8, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 skip to these 2 pin, and that this one is PA15, this one is PC13, PC13. All right, so go to the, we don't care about the clock configuration in this case because of the input is from external, right? Input from external, not in the internal, right? So forget about it for time being. So we go to the PA15, click and find out timer 2 ETR. So it become yellow, right? Become yellow, orange, I think yellow, yellow. Then you go to the timer, click timer 2, and then go to the clock source, right? Clock source. Then click ETR2. So this one become green, right? This become green. And then expand the the parameter setting tab, right? Then from here, you can see here we have a prescaler, 16-bit value. So the prescaler is here. We don't want to divide it. So what we do is we set it to 0. Then again, internal clock division, right? This one also set to no division, 0, 0. Then the counter period, okay, counter period here, we set to 5 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 minus 1. And then counter up, right? This counter up. And then no divisions, auto reload disable. Alright. Then we go to the trigger. Master slave disable trigger input effect, no delete. Okay, trigger events and so reset. Then we go to the clock, and the clock filter. Filter you can write down from 0 up to, right, any number, 0 up to 15. Right? So the greater the better the filter is, right? So maybe I set 10, and then if you remember, the blue button is active low, right? So we invert it because we want it falling edge, falling edge. You see, remember here, we can select the polarity, right? Either rising or falling edge. Right, then clock prescaler is not used, right? So if you set it to 2, that means 2 input, 1, 2 become 1, 2, 3 become 2, 1, another 1. All right, so another divisor that we have there, the prescaler is not used. All right, so we have some sort of like prescaler here, right? Other than the what we call the prescaler here, right? The prescaler here. So we set it to 0. All right, next, don't forget to, because we're going to use it in, actually the idea of the counter are more same with the time-based mode, but the difference is only now the input is from external, right? So enable the NBIC. Next, we go to the connectivity, USAT 2. Okay, before that, yeah, no problem, later we come. Okay, connectivity, we set USAT 2 to asynchronous, accept the parameters, the default parameter, then select the NBIC, enable it. Okay, further, we need to go to the system view, NBIC, and then select here, for the timer, example, USAT. At that USAT, we want to put it a bit lower than the system, so you can click it to make it to become 1. Then, remember, this timer 2, we need to make it lower than that USAT, so you set it to 2. In this case, that because I'm going to, each time it is full, then it will interrupt the timer. Then I will call the USAT. So the USAT must be higher priority than the timer. Then it will preempt that timer too. Right? All right. Then after that, okay, maybe we need PA5 to no need. I think no need. Okay, no need. Okay, just generate code. Click yes. As usual, we go to the driver. Right, so we're going to copy this serial.com 1. Sometimes it's better for you to use serial.com 2, because right, because serial.com 2 use the DMA, right? When you take the time of the processor. Okay, right, then we move this a bit here, right? Then we bring in that 2. Press your control button, then move it to include, accept to copy it, click OK. Yeah, override. Okay, alright, oh, no problem. Okay, actually I already put it before, right? Then we can move it here. Yes to all, right? So that's all. Okay, so we have it already. Now what you can do is to include that file inc control space double quote ser stir 0.1. Then we're going to print out something, right? I mean the variables, right? Or no, you just want to say okay, simple, just print a simple string, so no need for us to copy the X buffer. So go straight to the code, right, as usual here, right. Oh, so we can transmit, right, double quote slash n slash r, right, transmit example uh, counter, right, timer in counter mode and OD quote semicolon. Then we can clear, right? We can clear the because we don't want the interrupt happen when we switch on, just we switch on the processor. Okay, for that you can see the last one. Maybe you can look at this. I list some important codes here. So uh, I'm going to clear the previous interrupt flag, right? So we're going to set this, right, this interrupt flag. Okay, so timer that we're going to use is timer 2, right? So clear timer 2 interrupt flags. So here actually we point towards the status register, right? Status register, so time status register, and then we clear the interrupt, right? Update the interrupt flag, and clear that. Then after that, then we start the HAL underscore the timer in time base, right? Time base, right? So similar to time base, and then start, and else we enable the interrupt start IT string2 semicolon, right? Then we can say transmit something, right? Now running double quote slash n slash r running, right? So we can see either the code is working or not, or the code is inside while not, right? Okay, so close that one. So as usual, as before, I show you how to find out the callback, right? The callback whenever it is happen, right? The counter full, then it will generate the interrupt, right? So we need the interrupt callback somewhere at 5000, but it's very difficult for us to find it there. So window, so view, outline it, right? Then move to find the period elapse, right? Period elapse. So we have period elapse here, callback, right? Copy it, and then go to the main and place it here. So it's very simple. So whenever it is interrupted, then we can check that is from Steam, that from what? Team 2. Oh, instance, sorry. Instance equal to team 2. Okay. If that from team 2, then we will print simple transmit and double quote slash n slash r food quote colon. I think that's all good. Simple. I think it's very simple. Okay. don't forget to enable the timer, right? In my example here, timer programming. Okay, in my example here, I use the I use the PA1, I think. Yeah, I use PA1. Okay, this is my example. Right. Okay. Oh yeah, I use PA1 because the PA1 is available here as S1. So I connect this one, right? But it's a bit difficult. This one, that's why I select it. I select this PA15, right? Because it's here, and PC13 is here. Very simple, right? All right. Now compile it. Hopefully it's working. Need it clear the buffer. That is previous example. And I hope that is working. We can run it now. Right. You can see if it's run or not. Then okay. It's downloaded. It's nothing here because we not use anything here except that button, so no need. Okay. Then edit clear buffer. Oh, sorry. I think we need to recall back the from setup support 115 to O. Click OK. Yes, okay. It's come. And then now I press a button. Okay, I press a button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, this button is very good because of the skid. The skid for this button is very good. It has a resistor and capacitor to filter out the noise or bouncing effect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each time I press button 5 times, then it will trigger the timer, right? The interrupt. So then in interrupt, then we print out food. That's all. If you need more, please come to Unical MI. Bye bye.